Hey guys, I received a few questions asking how to create a certain type of fringe. After a little experimenting, I'm excited to share this method with you, which is a variation on the Rya Knot. Before we get started, I quickly want to remind you that I wrote a book, and it is available for pre-order now. Please see the description for details on my book and how to pre-order. Thanks again so much for your support. Okay, let's get started on today's tutorial. I find that this method works best when incorporated into a macraweave. If you are interested in creating this type of wall hanging, please see my macraweave playlist for additional techniques and full wall hanging tutorials. I will be adding the Rya Knot variation in between the 2 rows of double half hitch knots here. I will be creating 2 rows of fringe using 3mm string in speckled navy and mustard. The length of the string will depend on how long you want your fringe to be. My string is about 15 inches long. You will need 4 pieces for the first row and 3 pieces of string for the second row. Grab 1 piece of string, fold it in half, and bring it in front of the 2 pieces of rope on the left side of your work. Wrap the ends behind the 2 pieces of rope and then pull the ends through the middle above the piece in the front. Typically, to create a Rya Knot, the pieces would be pulled underneath the middle piece, but to create this variation of the Rya Knot, the pieces will be pulled above. Repeat that process 3 more times across your work. Skip the first piece of rope on the left side of your work and add 3 more pieces of string using the same Rya Knot variation. Feel free to repeat this process to add more rows of fringe or leave the rest of the section empty. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you!